So I got a couple new pickups here. Stopped by my local Harbor Freight and they had these on the shelves, so I just figured I'd pick them up. I've seen a few reviews on these already, so I'm just gonna go over these kind of quickly, but let's check them out. These are the Icon 10-inch pliers wrench, and from what everybody's saying, they're like identical to the Knipex, which they definitely are, but I just had to try them out for myself, and I guess it's nice to have two of them because I do have the 10-inch Knipex as well. And if you need to know the part number, there's that. Obviously Icon lifetime guarantee, so manufactured in Taiwan, designed by Icon in the USA, but whatever. I will admit I do like the handles on them. I like the thick plastic around that. It feels good when you're squeezing, especially if you got a lot of force on it. But yeah, the finish is a lot different. I'm sure the metal is a lot different compared to that German metal, but not too much play, but there is a little bit. Slides pretty nice. And there are more positions on this than the Knipex. I'm not sure exactly how much more, but it says 21 positions. And the Knipex definitely has a little less than that. Here I do have the Knipex, so you can see how similar they really are. The teeth on the Knipex are definitely larger, so that might benefit it in the durability, but yeah, the markings on it look the same. They're more noticeable on the Knipex, and there are markings on the back. As you can see, it says 52 millimeters on the Knipex and 50 on the Icons, but they both say 2 inches. So I'm pretty sure, I think these are the updated versions of the Knipex. Let's see, it looks like the Knipex opens up a little bit larger. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think the Knipex definitely slides a lot better as well. But for the price point, you're paying, what, $30 difference? So these will definitely, I think, do very well, especially for a DIYer. The jaws seem to be the same. The Icon does look a little thicker, but that's probably why it also feels heavier. But yeah, I guess for me, in my opinion, you can't go wrong with either. You're definitely paying for the quality of the Knipex, and this being lifetime and does pretty much the same exact thing, I think this will definitely hold up. So definitely liking those so far. And next up, I got the Icon locking flex head and ratchet bit set. I seen this, I thought this was really cool. Glad that they came out with this. It's a 35-piece set. There's the part number. Yeah, I've seen some reviews on this as well, and the things that this can do is just it's really cool to me, more than the other bit sets and driver that I have. So definitely wanted to check this out. As you can see on the box, it demonstrates the ratchet bit set, or no, I'm sorry, the T-handle extension convert. So yeah, the case is definitely nice and compact. It's got rubber overmold on it, so hopefully it's impact resistant. That's nice. Definitely a good quality case. And there's the bit set. Let's see how good the bits are and how much they hold up. But you see there's some Phillips. Looks like 1, 2s, and 3s. Some Allen heads, more Phillips, more Allens in this row. Got the socket adapter and the extension here. You got some Torx. And it goes up to a T15, and then you got, it goes up to a T9, and then a what is this? A T10 through a T40 in the tamper proofs. So it's got the T6, 7, 8, 9 for the normal Torx, and then it's got a couple flatheads. But yeah, it's definitely nice and compact, that's for sure. It is a locking flex head, so I really like that feature. I just push the button there, and the button it doesn't protrude out too much, so I don't think that'll get in the way. But yeah, nice and reversible too. Let's say, I'm not sure how many teeth it is, but I guess it doesn't matter. And I guess you can just slide the handle through, and it stops itself, and then you can use it like a T-handle and put the bits on this end, which is magnetized. Seems like a really good magnet too. And then if you need some more torque, it will accept it, and then you have a long handle. Yeah, definitely liking that. I thought that was really cool. But probably end up throwing this in the tool bag, or I'll keep this and throw my other one in the tool bag, which is the Sunex here. I really like this set. It is nice. Comes with the extension as well, but has I think more choices for bits. But yeah, I do like the ratchet on this better. It's a little bit longer, just a little bit, but it's definitely a nice little ratchet. I'll probably throw this in the tool bag of the car. It's nice to have. And this wasn't much at all. So that's a 38 piece. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I brought this out, but this is an Irwin that I had. I wanted to compare it with those, but I forgot. But yeah, this is Irwin's version of the pliers wrench. I think this is only a 7-inch though. But Yeah, they have their version. Their teeth are on the back side. You can pick those up at Lowe's. So, got that. I've had that for a while. But I was thinking of something else and I totally forgot. But yeah, I guess that'll be it for now. Hope you enjoyed.